Let's take a look at the trading time frames. You have the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Ask yourself, when can I consistently commit to time in front of the charts to apply myself properly? That will determine which trading time frame fits you best. Now let's take a look at the actual trading time frames on TradingView to get a better understanding of what I mean by different time frames. Okay, so here I am on TradingView. So in order to get to the charts, you have to go to Products and click Chart. All right, let's type in the currency pair here, USD JPY. So we have USD versus JPY, US dollar versus Japanese yen. Click enter, and here we have a chart. All right. So right at the top, you have your currency pair and you have your time frame. This is how you find the time frames that you can trade from. Let's just say you only had 4 hours to view the chart each day. So you would go down to 4 hours, click that, and this is the time frame that you would use, the 4-hour chart. If you can only view it once a day, you would trade off the 1 day chart.